Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font in Notepad++. Changing the font can make your text easier to read and improve your editing experience. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Next, click on the Settings menu at the top of the screen and select Style Configurator. In the Style Configurator window, choose Global Styles from the language list, then select Default Style. On the right side, you'll see the font name option. Click the drop-down menu and choose a different font. For example, I'll select Consolas. After selecting the font, click Save and Close if that option is available, or simply close the window. Now return to the editor, and you'll notice that the font has changed. If you want to try another font, open Settings, then Style Configurator again, and choose a different font such as Courier New or Arial. You can experiment with different fonts to find the one that is most comfortable for reading and editing text. Changing the font does not modify the content of your file. It only changes how the text appears inside Notepad++. That's it. You have successfully learned how to change the font in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.